Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, hope you all are doing well at home quarantine. I am Kohinoor Akhtar Bithi, lecturer in Arts and Craft of RUMC. At this crucial situation, I like to work for all English version students of class 7, especially Rajaputra Model College. Dear students, your midterm 2 syllabus is chapter 3 and chapter 4. Today I would like to teach you from chapter 3. Now you will open page number 18, chapter 3. The title names of the chapter is The Folk Art and Handicrafts of Bangladesh. After finishing this chapter, we will be able to point number 1, describe some major folk arts of Bangladesh. Point number 2, describe some major handicrafts of Bangladesh. Point number 3, describe the fields of use of folk art and handicrafts. Point number 4, describe the role of folk art and handicrafts in our daily life. Point number 5, make a poster about folk art and handicrafts. So dear students, I will discuss the basic information as like all the time of the topic, but you should read line by line from your textbook. Now you will open page number 19. From this page, lesson 1. Some major folk arts of Bangladesh. So dear students, can you tell me which are the major folk arts? Yes, dear students, in this lesson we will be know about that. Basically, major folk arts are Alpana, designed cake, folk paintings, toys, dolls, work of Indian cork and sponge wood, fence of bamboo and wheat, folk ornaments, folk musical instrument, etc. On your textbook, first point is Alpana. So students, Alpana is very familiar to us because Alpana is drawn in many celebrations of the Bengali culture, such as Bangla New Year, birthday party, turmeric event, marriage ceremony, Shohid Minar decoration in 21st February. Besides, girls are used to create Alpana on their hands using by Mehdi in various religious occasions like Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Puja and Christmas Day. Generally, Alpana painted using plastic paint, powder color, oxide color, etc. Now Alpana is drawn using different folk motifs. I would like to show you some examples. See, this Alpana drawn in front the Shohid Minar. This one drawn in hands, the religious occasions. So I told you the elements, this the color we can use for painting. So now Alpana is drawn using different folk motifs, as an example flower, leaves, fish, bird, etc., and various geometric as well as natural shapes. These are another examples. This called painted Alpana. Now our next topic is Sarachitra or Sara paintings. Sarachitra or Sara paintings from page number 20. So students, in the first time, Sarachitra basically made by Hindu community in Laksmi Puja. Generally, Sarachitra painted for their religious occasion. Durga Puja one of them. Now at the present time, we are see the various occasions such as marriage ceremony, Pohila Boishak, Nabanna Utsav, and for home decoration, people are made Sara or Sara paintings. So Sarachitra, one of our folk arts, major folk arts. Now I would like to show you some images of Sara paintings. See here, artists use different color like basic color, dark color. These Sara paintings are painted for Pohila Boishak. Now our next topic is pot or pot chitra. From lesson 2. Pot chitra is the another example of folk art of Bangladesh. Pot chitra are painted based on different social and religious functions. There are two types of pot we can find. One is warped pot, another is square pot. So the artist of pot chitra known as potua. Warped pot chitra drawn on cloth using sticky color. The main subject of warped pot is the lifestyle of Buddha, the story of Jatak, Radha Krishna, Ramayan, Behula Rakhinder, story of Muharram, etc. Gaji pot is the famous pot chitra in Bengali culture. So now I show you some examples. This one is what pot? So dear students, you can see some colorful work pot here. Basically, after finishing this painting, artists or rural peoples are take in bazaar or local area for display. In display time, they are playing a song behind the story of work pot. I will give a link in my description box, then you can watch the pot song. This one basically Gaji pot. Gaji pot in your textbooks, here is one image, this is the color image, and the another point is square pot. Choco pot as square scroll paintings are drawn on small size paper. They are usually 1 feet long and 6 to 8 inches wide. Of these, the pot of Kalirghat was famous. This pot chitra, what you see in screen, is called square pot. This is the example of square pot actually. So my dear students, tell me what you learned from today. Yes, today I discuss with you about the major folk arts of Bangladesh like Alpana, Sara paintings and Potchitra. Now homework time. You have to make 15 one-word answer from lesson 1 and lesson 2. So my dear students, stay at home, wash your hand frequently and thumbs like button for I can understand how many you are watching my class, and if you have any questions you can type in comment box. Thank you for watching my class. See you on next video from lesson 3. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, take care.